In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage slides in PowerPoint step by step, including how to rearrange slides, present them, annotate during your slideshow, and even edit your content using Outline View. If you're working on a presentation and want better control over your slides, this guide will walk you through everything in a simple and practical way. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any useful tips. And if this helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and load your presentation. Once your file is open, take a look at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the status bar, you'll see different view options. Click on Slide Sorter. This switches your workspace to Slide Sorter view, where you can see all your slides displayed as thumbnails. This view is perfect for managing the overall structure of your presentation. To rearrange slides, simply click on any slide thumbnail, hold your mouse button down, and drag it to a new position. As you drag, you'll see a vertical line appear showing where the slide will be placed. Release the mouse button to drop it into the new location. This is the fastest way to reorganize your presentation and improve the logical flow of your content. Once you've rearranged your slides the way you want, go back down to the status bar and click on Normal View. This returns you to the standard editing layout, where you can see the current slide in detail along with the slide thumbnails on the left side. From here, you can also rearrange slides using the thumbnail pane. Click on a slide from the left panel, drag it up or down, and drop it below another slide to reposition it. This method is useful when you're working on content details but still want quick control over slide order. Now, let's preview the presentation. Click on Slideshow from the status bar to start presenting from the beginning. PowerPoint will switch to full screen slideshow mode. When you're in slideshow mode, click anywhere on the screen to activate the presentation controls. If you want to draw or highlight something during your presentation, move your mouse to reveal the presentation toolbar. Then click on the pen option from the slideshow pointer tools. Select the pen tool, and now you can use your mouse to draw directly on the slide. This is especially useful for explaining diagrams, emphasizing key points, or making your presentation more interactive. To move forward in your presentation, simply press the right arrow key on your keyboard. Each press will take you to the next slide. This allows you to control the pace of your presentation smoothly and professionally. Once you're finished presenting, press the Escape key on your keyboard to exit slideshow mode. You'll return to the normal editing interface. Now let's look at another powerful way to manage your slide content. Click on the View tab at the top of PowerPoint. In the Presentation View section, click on Outline View. This changes the left panel to show your presentation as a structured text outline instead of slide thumbnails. Click inside the workspace, and you'll be able to see and edit all your slide text in outline format. This is extremely helpful if you want to focus purely on content structure, headings, and bullet points without being distracted by design elements. You can quickly edit text, reorganize sections, and ensure your presentation flows logically from start to finish. And that's how you manage slides in PowerPoint, from rearranging them in Slide Sorter view to presenting with annotations to editing content in Outline View. Mastering these tools will make your workflow faster and your presentations more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy and practical PowerPoint guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.